Beauregard Rippey, we're downtown Delaware, Ohio, October the 12th, Saturday, going on 1 in the afternoon for the Performance Charity Car Show. I hear a dragster. Not sure if it's a recording, but here's our Strand movie theater. We have a lot of Halloween decorations, Halloween fall decor. Colors are warm. Sunny enough day. I'm curious about the Jeep because it has the SMV sign and a license plate. I thought it might be one of those diesel ones. Just don't see them anymore. So, but that's a big CJ5, isn't it? Over here to the car show. There's our Buns restaurant facing west. The Rock Store, that's the one I was thinking of. But this looks like it's I was gonna say off the ranch in Colorado, but it's commemorative to the Grand Canyon for some reason. This looks like it was stolen from the Grand Canyon, the signage, but am I gonna see any electric bikes today? Not sure, but a ranch vehicle. Those tires look like they're 30 years old. And the grease and the dirt that's on here. Parked at the end. All the money goes to a good cause. An Iowa plate on the front. Not sure if it's for sale. He's a Jeep guy. 75. That was the right around the first year of the CJ6. It's a CJ5. It's a 75. It has a skyjacker and a Warren. A taller profile mud train. Slam 58 Chevy. So I'm not going to be at the top of the hill when I get out to the corner, but it looks like a full house out here today. Check out the art gallery. Wonder I didn't get to see any carving, but they have oils on canvas. And more hand carved. Our state bird. A very intricate carving right there. Dave Crago, do I know him? But anyway, owls, bobcats, foxes, some waterfowl, some stained glass. So anyway, a movie set dog. Huh. I ain't gonna get a good shot of him. Don't see many of those. Is this a NSX? It's a vet. I only got to see an NSX on the road the other day. It was orange. But that's a pretty good crowd to be over on this side street like this. Entering the show. Want to film another 5 minutes. Kind of going out of the year with a bang. It's a performance charity. The charity being our Impact 60, benefiting homelessness, drugs, and that sort of thing. The Lincoln. Check out the two-door car. A Saab. There's a movie set. Spuds McKenzie dog, was that? I don't know. Another show dog over here. Down the street. A Shinoodle one or something. Looks like an AMC type of a Rambler. These two cars are twins. On the other side of the street. Facing head to head. There's a pair of them. Plymouth Furies. It's a 68, man. This thing is freaking cool. Going out of here with a bang over to the Performance Charity Car Show. Voted one of the top downtown car shows by people in the car business, like car magazines, Cruising Magazine. Another Jeep. A supercharged caddy, a fast caddy in black with the Michelin's. That looks like an old jewelry store, doesn't it? We're on Winter Street. 46 Willie CJ2A with brand new tires. And that industrial engine in there, flathead. Like a 73 Monty, something. Pre-4 headlight. And that newer style. Pickup trucks. Kind of just parked on the street, aren't they? It's a 280ZX, it's in white. It's kind of missed over the Chevelle. I'm not really remembering those rims, they look new, but then they look stock. My beautiful T-top car is for sale. 83ZX. That's about the time they came out with the square body. I want to say 300ZX, but this guy's a $22,000 car. And it's still called a Datsun. An 83. So, wow, this thing is very spiffy. Show car here. Seeing some spiffy vets left and right. I got metal gray. Yeah, I meant to come out by the bike shop on the next street over, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna walk straight across the Bones, I guess. Only have a few minutes left. Let's see the hill here. Oh my gosh, I gotta walk clear. That's a mile that way. Over to the Carnegie Library. There's a steeple in the courthouse at that hill. Oh, 1 o'clock, so we're gonna continue west. There's south. This is crazy, but anyway. This is where I filmed my horse parade. Not sure if anybody watched that one, but interesting wagon. It says Bonneville. 59 Pontiac Bonneville Safari with only 30-some thousand miles on it. 59 Bonneville. It's got the whites. 59er with the 4 headlights. There's a record shop over here and an AMC here, a coffee shop. I don't really see the axe throwing hatchet ones up here, but just trying to remember what I was going to say. This guy has a slant 6 in it out of a Chrysler. I guess that's what they had and that's what they used. He calls it a 68 SLR Mark 1 Roadster. But that's that slant 6 from Chrysler, right? Yep. It has the rusted out oil filter on it even. And a brand new fuel pump. 1968, that's what they were doing. Beautiful Benz. The 428. I'm not sure, special, it's a 2-door. Dow Mercury. Oh, here's a show car. We've seen this a couple times. It has the build sheet and everything on it. AMC Rambler, we're thinking. Dodge Dart wagon, 1965, in white with a big V8 in it. Manual brakes. There's the Little Red Express, a Mustang, a very sweet coupe here. Studebaker in green with the wind visor. Pretty beautifully restored buildings. The sheepdog there. Nice example of a Little Red Express and a GS from Buick. And I've seen this one before, but I'm not seeing other ones. In a coral. Here's the eatery outdoor part. a T-Bird, and a mini truck, a vet, not sure, a bistro by the record shop, performance car show downtown Delaware, Ohio, Saturday, October the 12th, with Beauregard Rippey. Thanks for watching. Right in the storm.